In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate Hostinger. We're going to walk through the simplest, most reliable way to move your website using Hostinger's H-panel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and how to breeze through the requirements with confidence. Start by opening your browser and signing into your Hostinger account. That takes you to H-panel, Hostinger's main dashboard. If it's your first time here, think of H-panel as the command center for your hosting. It's where you manage websites, domains, emails, and settings. Give the page a second to load fully so all menu items appear. Once you're in H-panel, look to the left-hand side for the main navigation and click on Websites. This section lists every site connected to your account and also contains the tools for adding or moving a site. If you manage multiple projects, this is a great place to double-check you're working in the right account before proceeding. From the Websites area, choose Migrate Website. This begins Hostinger's guided migration flow. The interface is straightforward and each screen clearly explains what's needed next. You don't have to guess where to go. The wizard will nudge you through the entire process. Next, you'll be asked to choose a plan and continue the requirements. If you already have an active hosting plan, you may simply confirm it. If you're selecting a new plan, consider your site's current and near-term needs, like storage, traffic, and whether you'll host more than one site. After confirming the plan, follow the on-screen prompts to provide the requested details so Hostinger can complete the move. The form is designed to gather only what's necessary to transfer your site correctly. Have basic information about your existing website and where it's currently hosted ready, and enter it carefully to avoid delays. The system will validate entries as you go, and you'll see clear messages if anything needs adjusting. That's really all there is to it. The migration flow is designed to be easy and simple, with status updates available in your dashboard once you submit the request. While you wait, avoid making big edits on the old site so everything copies over consistently. When the migration completes, open your site from H-panel to make sure pages load as expected, images display correctly, and links work. If anything looks off, use the help resources in H-panel to review the migration summary and address any minor fixes. Follow these steps. Take your time with the form, and your website will be on Hostinger smoothly and securely.